My name is Labateca Rojas, student of Administration of Business. I am 22 years old. I like to read and play soccer. Visiting the municipality of Labateca. The last vacation a month ago was in my hometown, Labateca municipality. I stayed 15 days and traveled by motorcycle approximately arrived in hour. I like going because I visit the beach of the and with our patron, and I went for a walk with my family to a waterfall called Ciscata. People like to go there to distract and listen to the sounds of nature. Awaits to people visiting to municipality of Labateca. Recommends to be free worries that make your vacation comfortable. Visit the sanctuary of Our Lady Anguish, where countable close to visit places such as the Ciscata waterfall of the Black. Go for a walk to the river of La Caulla as a family and enjoy. I recommend using the sunscreen to protect the skin. I recommend eating the typical food of the region, such as corns, arepas, alfondoques, among others. It is very sporty. Municipality create your micro soccer team. They work until you reach to highest bridge the entire region, the volcano path. When visiting the municipality of Labateca, people should go to Labateca, and I would recommend visiting Our Lady of Anguish, the patron saint of the municipality. Walkers should be used to protect the skin. People should wear very a Contapol to visit the Ciscata waterfall. People should create sticks of egg. People test to avoid worries. You know travel rainy words so you can not go to the rivers or visit the Ciscata waterfalls. Thank you.